I welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is Kakusa Blessings. Okay, so in Science Paper 2 2018, we are going to answer question C3 from section C. Okay, remember to subscribe and give a like to this video you are watching, and also share to your friends. Okay, share with your friends that this channel is happening. Okay, so this question was under oxides. Okay, it was under oxides. So I would like us to have a quick revision on oxides before we proceed to answering these questions. Okay, so we are going to begin by defining what an oxide is. Okay, what is an oxide? What is an oxide? Okay, so an oxide is a compound formed when oxygen combines with any other element. Okay, that's an oxide. Oxygen combining with an element, the product is an oxide. Okay, so these oxides are classified in four. Okay, we have four classifications of oxides. We have acidic oxides, basic oxides, amphoteric oxides, neutral and neutral oxides. Okay, so acidic oxides. What are acidic oxides? Okay, so acidic oxides, they are oxides of nonmetals. So which means these oxides are formed when a nonmetal reacts with oxygen. Okay, so examples of acidic oxides, we have carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, just a nonmetal combining with oxygen. Yes, that's an acidic oxide. Okay, we also have a basic oxide. A basic oxide. What is a basic oxide? So basic oxides, they are oxides of metals. Okay, basic oxides are oxides of metals. What do I mean? So a metal has to combine with oxygen to form this basic oxide we are talking about. Okay, so basic oxides are oxides of metals. So a metal like sodium must combine with oxygen to form sodium oxide, which is an oxide we are talking about. Okay, copper 2 oxides, copper oxide should also the copper should combine with oxygen to form copper oxide, which is the oxygen specifically we are talking about. Okay, we also have amphoteric oxides. Okay, amphoteric oxides. So amphoteric oxides are oxides of metals, just like basic oxides. So amphoteric oxides are oxides of metals. Okay, so we have examples like zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is an amphoteric oxide. Aluminium oxide is an amphoteric oxide. Lead 2 oxide is also an amphoteric oxide. Okay, so it is very important to note that amphoteric oxides show both basic and acidic properties. Okay, amphoteric oxides show both basic and acidic properties. That is, they react with both acids and alkalis to form a salt and water. Okay, they react with both acids and alkalis to form a salt and water. Okay, so under amphoteric oxide, this is where you can react zinc plus oxygen to form zinc oxide, which is an amphoteric oxide. Aluminium plus oxygen makes up aluminium oxide, which is an amphoteric oxide. Okay, lastly, we have neutral oxides. Okay, neutral oxides. So neutral oxides are oxides of nonmetals, like acidic oxides. Okay, neutral oxides are oxides of nonmetals. Examples of neutral oxides, we have carbon monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, and water. Water, yes, it is a neutral oxide. Okay, so we can proceed to answering our given question. Okay, so the question, the statement above reads, aluminium oxide reacts with both dilute hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide in the presence of water. Aluminium oxide reacts with both dilute hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide in the presence of water. Okay, so the first question is asking to say, what term is given to such an oxide that behaves like aluminium oxide? What term is given to such an oxide that behaves like aluminium oxide? Okay, so the best term here is amphoteric oxide. Okay, amphoteric oxide. I'm pretty sure you heard me earlier on when I said aluminium oxide is an example of amphoteric oxide. So the answer is amphoteric oxide. Okay. B. State another oxide that behaves in a similar way like aluminium oxide. State another oxide that behaves in a similar way like aluminium oxide. Okay. So here we can put zinc oxide. Okay, zinc oxide is an example of amphoteric oxide. Okay, we can also, if you want, you can put lead oxide, lead 2 oxide. That's also an amphoteric oxide. Okay. C1. State the type of reaction that occurs between aluminium oxide and dilute hydrochloric acid. Include state symbols. State the type of reaction that occurs between aluminium oxide and dilute hydrochloric acid. What is the name of the reaction, or what is the type of the reaction that occurs between aluminium oxide and dilute hydrochloric acid? When you react aluminium oxide and with dilute hydrochloric acid, what type of reaction is that? Okay, so the name of the reaction is neutralization reaction. Okay, neutralization reaction, or you can call it as precipitation. Okay, that's the name of the reaction. So in neutralization reaction, water is also produced. You can observe that at the end there is water. Okay. Construct a balanced equation to show the reaction of aluminium oxide and dilute hydrochloric acid. Include state symbols. Okay, so this is the equation we are seeing. So you just need to balance it. So that this is a well balanced equation. Okay. D. State 2 uses of aluminium and the properties on which the use depends. State 2 uses of aluminium and the properties on which the use depends. Okay, so aluminium is used in the manufacturing of aeroplanes because it is less dense. Okay, or it is lighter. It is lighter. Okay, it is not heavy. This is why it is used in the manufacturing of aeroplanes. Okay. Again, aluminium is used in making kitchen utensils. Okay, kitchen utensils, because it is a good conductor of heat. Okay, so you can add those answers here. Okay. E. Question E, the last question. Carbon dioxide and water belong to different types of oxides. Carbon dioxide and water belong to different types of oxides. State the type of oxide to which each of them belongs. State the type of oxide to which each of them belongs. Okay. So carbon dioxide, to which type of oxide does this belong, the carbon dioxide, okay? So carbon dioxide belongs to an oxide called acidic oxide. Why? Because acidic oxides are oxides of non-metals, okay? And water belongs to neutral oxides, okay? Thank you for coming to this channel. Remember to subscribe, share, and like this video. I really appreciate you guys.